in this situation? Like, what connected that?
I mean, there goes the question of like, when is your time? And why is some people's time so much sooner than others?
You don't think you can mess with when your time is?
I don't know.
I think you can definitely
really
speed up.
Oh my God, Jesus.
I know.
Because if your time is set and you can't influence that regardless, that helps.
Everything good?
Are you supposed to be intimidating me?
No, like, what's up with you?
Oh, okay, because you're not intimidating me.
You're the one beeping.
Okay.
Like, why are you beeping, though?
Because you was in my way. And
how? You were behind me the whole time.
So, when did you come follow me?
Why were you beeping at me, though?
Huh?
Why were
because you was riding so and you was in my way.
It's a stop sign. I'm waiting for the construction truck to go by. Well, and then you're beeping.
You ain't got to say.
But what's your problem? You sound stupid. You're being recorded, actually.
Stop. I don't care.
You're going viral.
Hope
you know.
I could go viral.
You're going viral because you look stupid.
What?
Got your license plate. You're stupid.
You can get that license
like
plate
you sound stupid.
Okay?
All right, look on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube, girl.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're gonna be on YouTube. Sounds.
You alright?
Yep.
Duly, as you can see it coming up here. The insurance company originally held her 100% at fault because of the video. Here he comes. You can see him turn into her. Because of this video, that was reduced to 60%. It should have been less than that because you can see him physically turn into her. The cop on the scene gave her 2 tickets because I couldn't get these videos off of the camera at the time. I sent them in to him and he went to court and had those tickets. If those tickets didn't get, that would have been 4 points on her license. So this video saved her 4 points and 100% at fault. So there's a vehicle and traffic code that says if you can avoid an accident, it's your responsibility to avoid the accident, which he didn't do. In fact, I think he sped up, which how he wasn't placed fully at fault, I will never know. And how him hitting her on the side quarter panel like that didn't spin her out and make her roll, I don't know either. We have Garmin's and we love them. We actually have them say hi and look at his limo tent. We have him running while we're towing the truck.
Turn left on Dundas Street West, then pick up on the right.
Okay. And is it on Baronta or is it on Jamboree? It's right at the corner.